Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech House. Today we are comparing some of the main features Huawei Watch Ultimate Design and Huawei Watch Ultimate. Let's see this full video. First, compare the body features. Both smartwatch comes with 1080 water grade. Display features. Both the smartwatch comes with 1.5 inches with LTPO AMOLED display and also same screen resolution. Now compare the battery features. Huawei Watch Ultimate Design feature 14 days maximum battery life and 8-day typical battery life. And Huawei Watch Ultimate comes with 14 days of typical battery life and 8 days of heavy battery life. Let's compare the connectivity features. Both smartwatches support Bluetooth 5.2 and NFC, and also work with Android and iOS devices. And both two devices support 4 speaker and microphone features. Now compare the sensor features. Let's compare the price. We hope you have an idea now what are the differences between these smartwatches. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos.